back to the channel. How's everybody doing? Typical, man. Sunday. Tech Talk Sunday. Okay. Yes, I like to carry on these events twice a week. Okay. Thursdays and Sundays. Now, I come on at 8. My buddy Tim come on at 7. So they basically back to back, guys. Yeah, we just go back to back now to keep it simple. Okay. Thanks, Tom. Keep it simple. And we'll beforehand, everybody was jumping back and forth on a Sunday. So I don't know, make it more simple and plainer. So kudos to my buddy Tim for coming up with that idea. That was a great idea. Dark Hemi, what's going on? What's going on? Tim in the building. What is going on, guys? The good mechanic and makeup. That's what Demetrius. A year easily independent working for self or labor parts. It's level 2 this mechanic field. Demetrius, dude, days are gone, long gone. At least I hope. The times when parents was forcing their kids to go to college. But mommy, I want to be a mechanic. No, they don't make money. You go to school to be a doctor or lawyer. But mommy, I don't want to be no doctor. I want to get my hands dirty and work on motors and cars and transmission. Wait a minute. And mommy and daddy tripping because the son want to do what they're perceived to be a low-paying job. That's not the case, guys. 6 figures is easily attainable in the automotive industry. Now, it's not that you're going to make 6 figure on your job. That's what I don't know any mechanic that just sole income is off their job. If that's the case, you probably need to evaluate. Yeah, man. Now, when I say that, I get in trouble, okay? From people like Jack's Journal. Jack Journal, stop misleading the public. You cannot make $100 grand as a mechanic. I said, Jack, hear me out. What I'm talking about is overall, okay? No, not you're going to go out and get $100,000 a year job, your 9 to 5. No, if you're only working 9 to 5, then you may need to evaluate your own self. I'm talking about combine from the side work, front work, side work. Remember, guys, I work out of 3 or 4 shops. All Park Garage, Brothers Motors, a body shop, the dealer, YouTube. Yes, don't get me wrong. Tim, am I lying? This is a freaking job, okay? YouTube, I'm not having fun. I'm having fun, but I'm enjoying myself, but I'm not. I could be doing other things, but no, this is a freaking job. Although I like live streaming, tripping with y'all, it's still a job. Right this minute, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna chop this video up so it will be lucrative to me. All right, so at the end of the day, it's about how much I can get off a video. That's why you're starting to see crazy name titles on my video, catchy titles that will pull the average Joe in. All right, yeah, you got to be creative on how you do things. So on contrary to what people may believe, this YouTube is a freaking job for those that perceive it that way. All right. Yes, I'm having fun. Don't get me wrong. But my point is, to Demetrius' point, it's obtainable. You apply yourself. You could have a $40,000 a year mechanic job. Now, can you find enough things to do that would generate 60 grand on top of your job? Some might say, hell, I don't need my full-time job if I can make 60 grand doing it. It just depends on your level of experience, man. No, I didn't just start the automotive game. I've been in it for 2 decades, so I have some tricks. I can figure it out. All right. But I had to stop misleading, or stop, like Jack's Journal would say, stop misleading people. Like, Jack, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Hey, my Russian buddy, I know good and well that clown making 100 grand at the job, off the job. You know what? He got a whole bunch of side hustles he's doing. So it's all about the individual, guys. It's my point. Let me get off of this topic before I get in trouble. Yes, and I don't want to get in trouble. You can make 25K easier a year just flipping and fixing old cars. Hey man, there's unlimited of what you can earn in the automotive industry. And remember, guys, the automotive industry is bigger than just under the hood, replacing spark plugs. You got the body shop, collision, all of that stuff, detail. That's part of the automotive industry. It's the car that you detailing, right? rotate. So endless opportunities. If the automotive industry wasn't, you would chop off a third of the economy probably. All right, that's a whole nother monster we can get into. And time for me to start a channel. Rick, what you waiting on, man? Let's do it, man. Hey, you got the backing of all us, Rick. That's for sure. All right. Can I ask a question? Shamar Henry, this is you see the title of this video? Q&A Tech Talk Sunday. All right. If you have a technical question, sure, go right ahead, man. It's like a bunch of mechanics in here, and you picked a good time because if I don't know the answer, you got Uncle Mark in here, Tim, Tom Cook, Hella Guy, all kinds of. I don't want to leave anybody that Drac Fink, Mania. It's a lot of mechanics in here. So if I don't know the answer, surely somebody could, But yeah, this is a good time to ask a question. Shamar Henry, 11 Ram, back road outdoors. Your 11 Ram has a tip-em on it. Okay, randomly dropping out. You mean stalling out, dying out? What do you mean? That year tip-em had a bad fuel pump module. We need to chop it up on another video, man. We had a Ram. I'm sorry, guys. We had a Ram towed in the other day. This dude put 3 fuel pumps on it. This is so not dealer-like. Now, mind you, this is one of those. And guys, a lot of this stuff we do is based off history of what we already know. Yes, a fuel pump would cause you not to start and to stall out. But I say this all the time. You got to find out if that fuel pump is getting 12 volts in ground. You can put a fuel pump made of gold, platinum on that truck. It's still not going to start if the voltage supply and ground is not there. That's what he was not getting. He Mopar'd that damn thing 2 times. All right, just to find out it's not getting power and ground. What does the power source and ground source come from? What does the power source come from? The tip-em. That's the year model that had the relay issues. So, oh my goodness. Is that your problem? I don't know. We need to chop it up, man. So a couple of things you need to check. I can go over with you. All right, I see a freaking green sticker right here. Ladies and gentlemen, Bashio to the world blow. All right, thank you, my friend. All right, that always helps out the channel. I always put it back toward the channel. So when it's time for me to do my 50K subscriber, that will help me purchase more giveaway items. So I appreciate you, Bashio. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Thank you, my friend. I've been working a lot. Glad I can watch your vids again. Hope all is good with you, JT. Tommy 6862. Yes, I remember calling that name out quite a bit a while in the past. Thanks for jumping on. We winding down right now, but as usual, I appreciate you jumping on.